Hello, everyone. It is Erin Floto here, and I am here for October. So, as you all know, I filmed all of these last year, getting ready and preparing for this year. I'm going to be doing a very similar thing, preparing for next year. Although I'm not going to set up every single spread that I intend to do, my plan is to basically do the cover pages and the monthly calendars. And then from there, I will adjust layouts as needed on a monthly basis. I will probably set up January and February, but not the other months. But we're going to see how it goes. I'm definitely not setting up every single spread going into 2025. Again, my intention is to set up the cover page and the monthly calendar because those do take quite a bit of time for me to set up. Here's a look at September and what has been going on in September, how I've been using the bullet journal then. But I will have a better picture of how life is going and what is needed as I go along. Of course, this is my first time with a newborn, so those spreads are going to adjust as the year goes on. So, for example, I am intending to breastfeed, but at some point, the baby will not need to be breastfed anymore. And so, why would I set up all those spreads for an entire year when I don't intend to breastfeed for that long? So, it's one of those things that is going on, and I'm trying to figure out as we go. So, I need more versatility, which is one of the things that, of course, I love about the bullet journaling system. I've talked about it at length, how much that versatility means to me. And I have been able to implement it with some of these 2024 spreads at different points. But overall, I need to be able to set some spreads up as the month comes. So that is what I intend to do. It is kind of freaking me out that we are setting up for October because the baby's due in November. So that means he is really, really close to being there. I am feeling really good. I'm in my 29th week. I'm feeling really good, really healthy. My back is sore and I turn like a rotisserie chicken at night. But overall, I am feeling really, really good. And baby is doing really, really well. So we are so excited to meet our little baby boy. I'm excited for maternity leave because my brain doesn't work anymore. It is so tiring not feeling like you don't have the brain that you used to have. It is a struggle for sure, but I am trying to keep up with it. I am working up until mid-November. I think November 7th is my last day of work. And then I'll be taking maternity leave until the new year. So getting in a lot of holidays. So that'll be really nice. And helping me save some of my leave for my maternity leave and some of my other sick leave and all that kind of stuff too. So that is what is going on currently. Overall updates, I think everyone has heard my shed saga, my garage saga. We still don't have said garage, and theoretically, we're at the last stages. Do I trust that? No. Until there is a garage on my property, concrete being poured, I don't trust anything. I'm having such a hard time with the building inspector, with Tough Shed. My concrete guy is amazing. Thank God for him. But otherwise, it is such a saga. And we really need it up before baby gets here. So hopefully soon. Again, setting up for October gets me more and more anxious. But it's fine. We'll make it work no matter what happens. I have an amazing partner, an amazing husband. My animals have not left my side. They they are really on my side in all of this, and we have amazing support system. So we will definitely make it work. So overall, that is how things are going at the moment. Let's see, other updates that I have. I am currently working on all of the digital subscriptions for 2025. So I am really hoping that I get every single month done before baby gets here. Right now, I'm up till April. So I've done January, February, March, and I am almost done with April. So I'm on a really good pace to finish. So I'm really, really happy about that. And one of the things that I'm really excited about is that I will be able to use some of these stickers coming forward into 2025. So especially when life is like so different than you have always known life to be, it is really nice to have different things that will help you adjust your planning style. And I wanted to talk about that a little bit because for me in particular, I have always been someone that really likes to do my own art, do my own setups. I don't really like using sticker kits. It's just not, I really enjoy the creative aspect of being able to set up my own spreads. It is one of the things that I have had difficulty in 2024 because all of the spreads are currently set up, and I'm using washi tape. So I haven't really been able to get that creative outlet. Honestly, I've gotten a lot of that creative outlet from doing the digital sticker kits. And so at this point in time, I'm like, okay, well, I need to be able to have a creative outlet. So I think I'm going to, like I said, mix in sticker kits, but I would like to primarily do my own art because it is something that I have missed. But it is also going to be a hectic time, so it might not be a priority for me the way it has been in the past. Obviously, life is super, super different now. Well, from now until when the baby comes. So adjusting planning styles is a hard thing to deal with, but it is something that, like, again, is why I like bullet journaling, because for me, versatility is key. I can't set up in pre-printed planners. I hate pre-printed planners for that particular reason. I really enjoy the bullet journaling system for that versatility, for that creative inspiration that it gives me. So I'm doing a little bit of a mix next year. Anyways, this is how the October spreads turned out. I'm so glad it was black. I am so glad the wheel spun black. It looks so good. All of these Halloweeny colors, all these Halloweeny washi tapes. It looks so, so good. So I am so excited. Leave a ghost emoji down in the comments below if you made it to the end of this video. And thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.